Want to get more done without spending hours taking meeting notes? Fireflies AI can automate note-taking, organize action items, and help you find important information in seconds. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Fireflies AI to boost your productivity. So yeah, let's get started. First, sign into your Fireflies AI account and connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar. This allows Fireflies to detect your scheduled meetings and automatically join supported calls when needed. Once your calendar is connected, Fireflies can automatically join Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and other supported meetings to record, transcribe, and summarize the conversation. That means you can stay focused on the discussion instead of writing notes. After the meeting ends, open the transcript and review the AI-generated summary. Fireflies automatically highlights key discussion points, decisions, and action items, making follow-up much faster. Instead of replaying an entire meeting, you can jump straight to what matters most. Need to remember something from a meeting last week. Use the search bar or Ask Fred to find keywords, questions, people, or specific topics across all your meeting history. It's much faster than searching through dozens of documents manually. To save even more time, connect Fireflies with apps like Slack, Notion, Google Drive, Salesforce, or other supported integrations. Your meeting notes, summaries, and action items can automatically sync with the tools you already use every day. And that's how you use Fireflies AI for productivity in 2026. By automating meeting notes, summaries, and follow-ups, you can spend more time on meaningful work instead of manual tasks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.